The 2026 Shelby Super Snake-R is not just another muscle car, it is Shelby American's most extreme street legal performance Mustang yet, taking the already impressive Ford Mustang Dark Horse and transforming it into a track-bred, wide-body powerhouse. Under the hood sits a supercharged 5.0-liter Coyote V8 delivering over 850 horsepower on 93-octane fuel. Buyers can choose between a Tremec TR 3166-speed manual transmission for purists or a 10-speed automatic for lightning-fast shifts. This is not just about brute force, it is about precision engineering designed to dominate the track and the streets. The R badge makes its debut on a Super Snake for the first time, signaling a sharper focus on handling and driver feedback. The car rides on fully adjustable coil-over suspension, front and rear sway bars, caster and camber plates, and metal spherical bushings for maximum chassis rigidity. A rear harness strut bar adds more stiffness, while Shelby-specific structural reinforcements ensure the car stays planted during aggressive cornering. Wider metal fenders house massive 20 by 11-inch forged magnesium wheels up front and 20 by 13-inch wheels in the rear, wrapped in Michelin performance tires that measure up to 335/35/20 in the back. Behind those wheels are two-piece slotted brake rotors engineered to handle intense track use. Despite the wide body kit and the significant power increase, the Super Snake-R weighs just 4,004 pounds, only 116 pounds more than the base Dark Horse, thanks to extensive use of carbon fiber for components like the front splitter, rocker wickers, rear diffuser, brake ducts, hood extractors, and the Super Snake rear wing. Cooling has been upgraded with a larger radiator and heat exchanger to ensure consistent performance during extended runs. A Shelby by Borla catback exhaust provides an aggressive soundtrack without sacrificing drivability. The vented aluminum hood with carbon fiber extractors improves airflow, while the wide-body design not only looks aggressive, but also enhances high-speed stability. Inside, the Super Snake-R features leather seat recovers with embroidered Shelby branding, a serialized dash plaque, and a billet shift ball for manual models. A rear seat delete saves weight, while the driver-focused cockpit maintains the Mustang's everyday usability. Buyers also get peace of mind with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, and the car remains serviceable at Ford dealerships. Only a limited number will be built, each registered in the official Shelby Registry. Pricing starts at $224,995, including the base Mustang Dark Horse, FOB Las Vegas. Distribution will be through Shelby authorized dealers in the United States, with select builds available internationally. For enthusiasts in emissions-restricted states, the Supercharger is offered as a post-title upgrade. This car is more than just a muscle car. It is a statement of raw performance, race-inspired engineering, and Shelby heritage. Whether attacking corners on a track day or drawing attention on the boulevard, the 2026 Shelby Super Snake-R sets a new standard for what an American performance car can be. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you do not miss more coverage of groundbreaking performance machines like this one.